What if you could turn your song into a complete cinematic music video without hiring a camera crew, actors, or spending hours editing? With BeatViz AI, you can upload your music, let AI understand the track, generate scenes, and build a synced music video. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. BeatViz is an AI music video generator designed specifically around your song. It can analyze the music's rhythm and energy, plan scenes, generate visuals, and help you assemble the final video. You can also choose formats like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok. First, open BeatViz AI and click Start Creating. For the easiest workflow, choose the AI Music Video Director. Upload your finished song, then choose your aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9 for a YouTube music video. You can also select the available resolution and add a character or other creative direction if you want more control. Now tell BeatViz what kind of video you want. Instead of writing something vague, like make a cool music video, give it a clear visual direction. Or for example, create a cinematic romantic music video about a couple separated by a distance. Use emotional close-ups, city night scenes, warm lighting, slow camera movements, and dramatic visuals during the chorus. BeatViz can use your song to help plan the concept story, shots, keyframes, and clips. Review the proposed direction before generating the final visuals. Once you're happy with the concept, generate the scenes. BeatViz creates the visual clips and synchronizes them with your music. If you don't like a particular scene, you can regenerate or replace it instead of rebuilding the entire video. For more control, switch to editor mode. Here you can generate images and videos. Use an image as a first frame and drag your generated clips directly onto the audio timeline. If your music video has a singing character, BeatViz also provides a lip sync workflow. Select the relevant audio section, describe the character and scene, and optionally provide a reference image. Then arrange your clips on the timeline, adjust the sequence, replace anything that doesn't look right, and make sure the visuals match the important parts of the song. And that's the workflow. Upload your song, choose the visual style, generate scenes, refine the clips, arrange everything on the timeline, and export your music video. BeatViz also offers a free starting option, although available resolution, models, credits, and advanced features can depend on your current plan. My personal opinion, BeatViz is especially interesting for musicians who already have the song but don't have the time, budget, or production team to create a full music video. If this tutorial helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI music and video tutorials.